Hello, Fugsters. So we got one of the original early ones here, it seems. This is called the Lil Demon, and it is around a foot tall or 30 centimeters in height, in that ballpark. I got it. You're gonna have to get this off eBay because this is from like, I'm guessing 2018. We'll have to see what the tag says. So no original packaging, as you can see, but it doesn't look like it's a complete mess. I don't think it was played with very much, because this felt is very easy to scratch up and look bad. But this one's not so bad, or someone cleaned it up before they sent it to me. So yeah, it's quite big. Very big, actually. But yeah, we have a nice blue body of felt, same with this off-white cream colored inner belly area, and you can see this stitching. It's well done. I don't know what machine does this, but it's so perfectly done. I don't think it's done by hand. Same around the mouth. You can see, it's like two pieces of thread going across each stitch. And then you can see these teeth are very yellow, where the tag is white. The teeth are quite yellow, like human teeth, and they're relatively even looking. The felt of the pink mouth here, it's actually pointing upwards. But you could mess around with it to look at that. Yeah, that's pretty weird. An underbite, but get those teeth to look a certain way just by messing around with the mouth there, but we'll just leave it like that. And then this one has buttons for eyes. So we have a green one here, and then a gray and a pink one stacked on top of it. The actual thread is just the plastic, same as the button. It would have been neat if they were really buttons and they actually, hand sewn them on, but I guess that'd be really too time intensive. Maybe it would cost a lot more if they did it that way. Alright, well-defined arms, literally definition of the thumbs. Well-defined legs as well. Some extra string there. In fact, let me cut that off. Okay, so the tag itself, on the front we have the English, and it does say, I'm looking for a date. No actual date on this side. All new material, polyester fibers. Yeah, that's weird. There's no copyright date on this thing. Strange. Yeah, that's too bad. So really, you have no idea how old this is. Okay, then we have your standard sized Fuggler button here for the button on hole with the TM molded in there. And then the back is just all blue, as you can see, but it's in pretty decent shape. So I see a new one right now on eBay in the box for only $25. So this is not a well sought after design, I guess, but I like it. I actually like it. It looks like a monster, like I don't know, a weird alien monster with eyes. It looks like something out of Toy Story. I mean, like a bad character out of Toy Story or something like that. So for a size comparison, here are the more standard sized ones. Here's Mojo Jojo from Powerpuff Girls, and here we have a Sir Belch from the Laboratory Misfits collection. So that's the maximum height you would find in today's medium-sized ones, and a shorter version of the medium-sized ones. This one's got a super soft plush fabric. This one's kind of a combination of plush fabrics and a super long shagginess. Alright, so anyways, they all look cool though. This one's I wouldn't say you want to really play with this or touch with it. It's not super soft being felt, but it definitely is a unique design, so that's why I got it. Thank you for watching today. We'll see you the next time we get a Fuggler in.